Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add your YouTube channel link to your TikTok bio. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up TikTok, click on your profile icon on the bottom right, then select edit near your name on the right hand side. Once you're on here, near the bottom, you should see links, so you just want to click on that. It should give you a few options on here, and at the bottom it should give you the option to add a YouTube link. So you just want to click add, and it'll just bring up a list of emails if you have more than one. And obviously make sure you click on the email associated with your YouTube channel that you want to use. And once you've done that, obviously if you have more than one channel as well, you want to click on the right channel that you want. And there'll be some information you can read through on here, and then just select continue. Then you'll see your YouTube channel link has been added there. So if you come out of here, you should see an option to click on a link underneath add bio, or if you have a bio actually written out. And it'll bring up this little link here, so you can just click on that and select open. And that'll bring them to your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.